guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you a project introduction. This is the whole collection of Project Pan. I'm going to use a roulette wheel to choose 10 products to start, and it's going to be rolling style from there. There's going to be a 3 to 5 use goal on each product. The goal is to just rotate through my collection of new things. Mostly new things. There are some older things on the wheel, but it's mostly my newer products because I want to see, do I like them? Do I want to keep them? Are they for me? All the things, you know? So we are going to choose our 10 products to go on the wheel together. So let me get into my wheel. I'm so excited. I just ended 2 projects recently. You guys will see them towards the end of the month. So I'm excited to start this one. Get out of that wheel. So I have 66 options in my wheel here. And let's see what option number 1 is going to be. Nude Stix Magic Aura Highlighter. Okay. Nude Stix Magic Aura Highlight. And I think I'm going to set a 3 use goal on that guy. So spin again. Oh, my KVD foundation. Nice. Foundation. I'll put a 5 use goal because I don't mind using that. That's actually right next to me. So I'll pull that out. We'll do swatches of everything at the end here. Florasis bronzer. I'm working on so many bronzers. Florasis bronzer. Since I'm working on a bunch of bronzers, I'm going to do 3 uses on that guy. Ooh, a loose pigment. My Bare Minerals Bahamas. Bare Minerals Bahamas. And since it's a loose pigment, I'm going to do 3 uses. ColourPop Lav Dreams Highlighter. Okay. ColourPop Lav Dreams Highlight. That's a purple. I'm already working on a purple highlighter, so I'm also going to do 3 uses on that guy because I'm already working on a purple highlighter. And I know I love that formula. NYX Ember Energy Eyeliner. NYX Ember Energy Eyeliner. That's in my cup right here. So that's this guy. Okay. p.louise the Shiny Lip Liner. Okay. Of course, and I leave the shiny one. p.louise. Oh, the eyeliner, I'm going to do 3 uses because I know I like the formula. p.louise Lip Liner. Shiny. I'm going to do 3 uses because I don't know if I'm going to like that. Got 3 more. My Uoma Beauty lipstick in Kathleen. Uoma lipstick in Kathleen. I'm gonna do 3 uses. My Ioni Dolce eye crayon. So that's the brown one. Got a lot of brown. Ioni eye crayon in Dolce. 3 uses. And last but certainly not least, I'm already working on that. So we're gonna spin again. I'm working on that in another project. I'm working on that in another project. The Florasis highlighter. That works because I'll already have the palette out. Florasis highlight. 3 uses. All right, let me go grab all these products so then we can swatch them. All right, I have all my products here next to me. Well, I gotta weigh them, so I'll wait. We have my Nude Stix Magic Aura highlighter. It's one of these stack ones, so this is what it looks like. I see like a pinky purple-ness to it. It doesn't have, well, it is sparkly. It's really all that it gives is sparkle, so I don't know if I'm gonna like this. That's why everything's got a 3-use goal. So 3 uses on everything but my foundation, because I know I like the foundation, and getting 5 uses on the foundation is going to be super simple. So 3 uses on this guy. 5 uses on my KVD Good Apple foundation. It's in the shade Light 12. So there's the shade Light 12. It is a beautiful shade match for me. It's a beautiful finish and formula. I love this foundation. I have no problems getting some use on this guy. The Florasis, we'll just talk about the bronzer and the highlight because they both come from this palette. This is the Eastern Beast Sculpting Palette in the shade 1. I've completely finished off the setting powder, but we're going to talk about the bronzer and the highlight. The blush is also in the wheel, so the blush will come up at a later date. But here's the bronzer and the highlight. Bronzer and the highlight. They're very pretty. I like this palette. I don't love this palette, but I do like it. I'll probably get use on that blush while it's in here, but it won't count towards the wheel. My ColourPop Lav Dreams highlighter looks like this. It's a beautiful icy purple. So we will get use on that guy. And then I got Stix. So first we have my Bare Minerals Loose Pigment. This is in Bahamas. Beautiful right there. That'll make a gorgeous inner corner. And I only got to get 3 uses on her, so that's not too shabby. I got my Uoma lipstick in Kathleen, which is a beautiful nude. It's like a pinky nude. So don't mind getting some use on that guy. I have my Ioni eye crayon in Dolce. So this is a shimmery brown. So we'll see if I use that as an eyeliner, as an eye base. We'll see what I use that for. I have my NYX Ember Energy eyeliner. So this is a matte brown. It's that darker brown right there. I'm wearing one of the NYX Inky sticks on my eyes today, so that'll be fun. And then this is the p.louise Shiny Lip Liner. They do have names, but they're not listed on the lip pencil, so. And this one is falling out, so we love that. And it's right there, and it's a shiny lip liner, and I just don't know if I'm gonna enjoy that. So we will definitely give it a good old college try. This is everything I'm bringing in. Pretty cohesive color story, honestly. I have the full right. If I use something once and I don't like it and I declutter it, it's still a rollout for this project. If I use it twice and don't like it, it's a rollout for this project. If I use it all 3 times and still declutter it, it's a rollout. Like, that's the whole point of this project, is to figure out if I like the item in my collection. But yeah, 3 uses should let me know. A lot of these items I already have my thoughts on, but there's some of them that are new to me, like this lip liner, this eye crayon. I think I've only used this lipstick once, so that'll be new to me. I think I've only used the Nude Stix highlighter once, so that's pretty new to me. I'm excited to get my uses on these and to update you guys next month and figure out what we're doing with these. Like I said, it's rolling style from here on out, so we're just gonna go through the wheel as we go, but I'll be adding more things to the wheel as more things come into my collection. So, ever growing. But that is gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.